base series, we are concentrating on taking the data from Excel. So what happens is that you link it up to your Excel workbook, and you have to transform the data to ensure that the data is exactly as Power BI needs it. And just for a couple of minutes, we are just going to have a look. And this is revisiting the Power Query session. If I just open this a little bit more, make this a little bit larger, you don't need to read the figures in here. The main thing I want you to notice in here is that there are many applied steps. So the data that comes in from the Excel spreadsheet, all these steps will be applied to them, transforming the data so that Power Query can use it. So in Power Query, we'll change it for Power BI. Too many powers. So if I go through here, we've got the source, we've got the filtering, and as we go through each different section, it is carrying out specific actions. We've got expanding columns, we've got changing types, different changing types, renaming columns, and everything in here. So once you set up Power Query, you'll probably be surprised at how many steps it actually goes through. And you can see on the left-hand side here that we actually have 3 different tables. We have our operations data, our shop data, and our employee data, and that has got not so many applied steps. So they were all sheets in our workbook. So all that transformation is happening behind the scenes. So that's why we wanted to ensure that you looked at Power Query before you started to look at Power BI.